Any mention?
Yes, Mr. C.C.
Well, I would like to make a mention of an unlisted matter, Malad, appear to be listed today. There's an emergency, Malad.
Regarding?
Well, regarding that, we will also recall that one transfer petition, Malad, which has been referred to. No trouble.
Your Lordship, I beg to mention item 26 and 27 of the hearing list.
26 and 27.
Yes, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, another meeting has been fixed before the District Scrutiny Committee. This is that matter regarding the ST certificate.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Is that correct?
Yes, Your Lordship.
Okay. As the matter is under consideration by the respondents, and this is the matter after?
2 weeks, Your
2
Lordship.
weeks, yes. 26, 27.
Obliged, Your Lordship.
Yes.
Please, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 21, Your Lordship.
21.
Yeah.
21, Livingstone Rambai.
Yes, Your Lordship. On behalf of Mr. Judicial, Your Lordship.
What's it about? Pension?
Yes, Your Lordship.
2 weeks, yes.
Apply, Your Lordship.
Your Lordship, I have similar prayer for item number 24, Your Lordship. Joint request for the
24, Your Lordship.
Why?
joint request, Your Lordship. Joint request, Your Lordship.
Mr. Philemon is not in court today.
Your Lordship, this is Mr. J. Shala, Your Lordship. For respondent.
Omajay Shilla. No objection.
Objection, Your Lordship.
Matter in the teacher, this one?
Witchcraft matter. Witchcraft matter, Your Lordship.
Witchcraft matter?
Yes, Your Lordship.
2 weeks, okay. 1 week. 2 weeks.
2 weeks, Your Lordship. Apply.
Yes.
Please, Your Lordship.
Yes. Empty-wa.
To
Yes.
the consistency of the side, I beg to mention item number 16 for M. Chanda. M. Chanda has personal difficulty. The matter may be adjourned for 2 weeks.
Yes, is it?
I beg to mention item number 21.
1 second.
Sorry.
No, 16 to 20 are connected and covered by Supreme Court order.
Cover meaning?
A similar matter was dismissed by the division bench. My lord, matter went to Supreme Court. Finally, it has been dismissed from there also. 16 to 20.
16 to?
20.
Now what to do then? Should we dispose them off?
Nothing remains, my lord, actually. But, the other 4 matters, Mr. Pathak is there, my lord. And first matter, Mr. Chanda is there.
Lordship, Mr. Chanda has some personal difficulty and Mr. Pathak is out of station for 2 weeks.
Okay. After 2 weeks, yes. 21 to, or sorry, 16 to 20. There's no sense in making them. Yes. Yes, yes. What do you want to say?
Lordship, item number 25, I want to mention.
So you totally demolished my list, huh? Organized, yes. What happened?
My lord, Mr. Datta appears to be on sanction leave.
He's on sanction leave also.
How was he?
Now he's discharged from the
to him?
hospital. He was undergone surgery for his gallbladder stone.
Oh, okay.
My lord, 3 weeks, my lord, in that case.
3 weeks, let him recover. As the Canadian Council stated, to be recovering from surgery. Yes.
Supplementary list, item number 1.
What with the summer gratuity and pension?
Your Lordship, on the last occasion.
In the third round, he's coming.
Because I come the third round because they have
See,
not.
some people
There is an order also on the last
made up his
occasion.
case now.
Yes, Mr.
Yes, this is on the last order was there, Lordship, the page 3, page 13, where the Lordship was disposed the order with that direction, not that direction, but that last part, Lordship. They have not paid the money till now also, so that's why I filed contempt, but the contempt does not like since there was no direction. That's why I have come with a fresh
Issue notice, issue notice. Ms. SD is present.
But here, my lord, one difficulty is there for me to take the instruction. My lord, they have not mentioned there is no sanction order. They are
You
normally.
get instruction because you're going to first you have to compute as per the the revised gratuity
Yes, yes.
rules. So that's all.
Yes.
So when you give that to them, that's
No,
all.
but it is premature, I feel, my lord, because, my lord, until unless the sanction order is issued, he cannot say that it will not be paid. Here the case, he
No,
tried to
now
make
it's not being processed. Let him take notice at least.
My lord.
Start on litigation. He deserves notice.
My lord.
Yes, Mr. SD is present, except on behalf of 3 respondents. No further notice, no further notice required. Yes, after 3 weeks for instructions affidavit. Yes.
Much obliged, Lordship.
Item number 2.
Here also it's a similar situated case, but this is a transport, Lordship, where this petitioner
Yes.
is a third grade mechanic.
Heard Mr. P.T. Sangma, Mr. M.U. Ahmed, Vice, Mr. S. Sen. You on number 1?
Lordship.
Number 2 and number 3. No, if we have one number 4.
Lordship, the AG office has nothing to do with.
Oh, yeah, nothing to do with this one, yes. They have to be struck off.
Lordship,
As a corporation. Mr. M.U. Ahmed, Vice, Mr. S. Sen is present on behalf of Respondent 1, 2, 3. No further notice called upon them. MS E.B. Pasa, next paragraph. Learned Counsel submits that the Accountant General, bracket A&E, Meghalaya, has been wrongly arrayed as a party respondent. He prays that the said respondent be struck off from the array of parties. Stop. Yes, sir. The submission is noted. It is also seen that the matter involves the payment of pension by the respondent corporation.
Lordship, gratuity.
Petitioner. Accordingly, respondent number 4 shall be struck off from the array of parties. Registry to witness the correction.
Lordship.
Yes, list after 1 week, 2 weeks.
Lordship.
For instructions every day.
Most obliged, Lordship.
Yes.
Item number 3.
Please, Your Lordship, this is that, Your Lordship, I passed one order. I'll just want to straight away take to this order, Your Lordship. Kindly come to
This
page...
court had passed an order.
Your Lordship, I passed one order. I'll straight away take to this order, Your Lordship. This is at page 14, 1-4.
20, huh? Okay, 21 is fine. Yes. Yes. Next
The
2.
Or, yes. Page 14 and annexure 2.
Yes.
So kindly come to page 17, the operative portion of the order.
17.
17, 1-7. Para 5
Yes.
and 6. Lordship had directed me to appear before the respondent number 3. To appear in person, we required all those necessary document formalities and all to complete. That is within the period of 1 month. And para number 6 is that for the respondent to complete this process expeditiously. It could not come a contempt because the time frame was not set for them. It's only for me. So I had to come by way of a writ. This is very limited prayer.
Mr. Dr. Mojika, what happened?
My lord,
You went before them with a fixed deposit?
Everything. I have proof. In fact, I have enclosed
Okay.
here. I have enclosed here as proof. This is, again, Your Lordship, please come to page, the proof of me appearing before them. I have here, I have also enclosed the boarding flight because I'm residing in Punjab. I had come to Guwahati on the 11th. Come to page 19, Your Lordship. This is the letter that I have submitted before the respondent authority.
Yes.
To bring enclosing the copy of the order, Your Lord. This is signed by me.
Yes.
So this is the date that I've paid. The next page, Your Lordship. That's a type copy. Page 21. This is the letter which was issued by them to compliance to submit certain documents. Now, page 22. Now, 20. They have issued me 3 letters. Page 21, 22, and 23. Now, page 24, Your Lordship. These are the receipt issued by them that they have received the e-stamp.
Yes.
These are the documents received by them. 24.
Regarding
and,
maturity of
26. These are the receipt that they have received these documents from me. Goes all the way to page 30, Your Lordship. So
what
I've
happened?
submitted everything.
Why harassing this poor
Mother, I understand.
petitioner? They'll have to pay cost. This is the way.
So since the passing of the order, it's only been 6 months
It's
now.
unjustifiable, my lord. My lord, may I ask for someone to appear, my lord, from that. They should appreciate taking the right earnest to court order, my lord.
Yes.
So in this read, I'm asking for only a time frame may be set.
No,
So
we
that's
will.
all I'm asking.
My lord, page 23, lordship kindly sees, my lord.
Yes.
My lord, the senior superintendent of post office have directed sub postmaster Barlumuk, my lord. It appears that this is the officer, my lord.
See, to the sub postmaster Balumuk. Since it is found that the claims of petitions should not go. Since depends on legal evidence, payment through ACP check transaction on the case where you have to carry treatment, and it should be ensured the case when you sign not covered as such. I mean, he's just sitting on it, this person. This is since 6th of March. When did you appear? Where did you go personally?
I have gone on the last year, Lordship, after the passing of the order in the month of November, 16 of October 2023.
Yes. Just take down. Heard Mr. Esmar Pan, the counsel for the petitioner. Miss Dr. Mbozika, HJI, with so-and-so present on behalf of
all the
respondents and accepts notice. Stop. It is submitted by the counsel for the petitioner that in an earlier proceeding before this court, namely CRP number 17 of 2023, the matter was disposed of by order dated 15/9/2023, wherein the petitioner was directed to appear in person along with the required fixed deposit certificate within a period of 1 month for the amounts to be for the amounts to be for the grant of the amount as mentioned in an extension succession certificate. Stop. It is further submitted that the writ petitioner had appeared in person before the respondent number
3,
respondent Chief Postmaster General, when do you appear?
16 of October 2020.
On 16/10 2023 as per the orders of this court. But however, till date, the amount has not been settled. Stop. The attention of the court has also been drawn to a letter dated 21/12. You already appeared once, asked you to appear again.
No, they did not ask. You have just asked me to appear once, and after
Well,
that,
what's 21/12/2023 then?
these letters were issued later for me to submit this document. At the time when I appeared, they did not ask for any documents, and later they issued this letter in the month of December, then January, then March. These are all been complied with. The receipts are there.
This further has drawn attention of this court to letter dated 21/12/2023. And 10/1/2024,
7th,
asking for the required
and 7/3
documents in original,
yes,
along with KYC documents, which were duly submitted and accepted by the respondents. Stop. The council submits that by letter dated 6/3/2024, the Senior Superintendent of Post Offices, Guwahati Division, Guwahati 7, Guwahati, sorry, comma, had directed the...
Your Lordship, I need to interrupt, that's
Yes.
7. That should be 7, Your Lordship.
Senior Police.
7-3. 7-3-2024, they have strike out.
2024.
Yes.
Problem? Seven 3/2024.
Signature, the
Senior
date.
Superintendent of Post Offices had directed the sub postmaster Bharlumuk, Bharalme, Bharlumuk SO, for settlement of the 27 numbers of death claims of the writ petitioner. Stop. It is lastly submitted that in spite of complying with court orders and submission of all documents till date, the respondents are yet to release the amounts. Stop. He prays that appropriate directions be issued to indicate a time frame by which said respondents are to comply with the same. Stop. Dr. N. Mozika, Leonard Counsel, Senior Counsel, on behalf of the respondent. What is submission?
And otherwise, my submission, I'll take instruction, madam.
Has to submit and praise here out to the instructions. Stop. Next paragraph. This court notes that though the matter was disposed of since 15/9/2023, and the petitioner also appeared in person and thereafter submitted the required documents, due to the inaction of the said sub-postmaster, Bharlumuk has been compelled to file the instant writ petition before this court. Stop. It is also noted that the writ petitioner is a resident of Punjab and at great expense had appeared personally before the respondents. Stop. Next, in this view of the matter, in this view of the matter, it is expected that before the next date, the orders of the court should be complied in its totality. Feeling which will comply in its totality. This is the matter after. If they don't comply, then we will not appear. This matter of 3 weeks, yes.
3 weeks. That's it.
Item number 4.
May I please, Your Lordship? This matter pertains to payment of salary.
Payment of salary? Whose salary?
The petitioner, Your Lordship.
Petitioner?
Yes, Lordship.
So she was a pre-primary teacher?
Yes, Lordship.
Why not pay the salary?
Your Lordship will take instructions, Your Lordship.
Your Lordship.
No, I'm asking him.
Yes, yes, Your Lordship.
Why they're depriving you salary?
Yes, Lordship.
What is the reason?
The reason, Your Lordship, is because the private respondent number 8, who was said to be terminated, void order dated 3/6/2000.
Terminated?
Yes, Lordship.
Then?
However, an inquiry was held, wherein it was stated that the private respondent number 8 was placed at a sanctioned post, and her salary was to be released with effect from October 2003 and to stop my salary.
No, this number is terminated from service.
Yes, Lordship. She was the private respondent number 3 was her services was terminated on 2019.
Then where does she come in the picture if she's a
Yes,
terminated
Lordship.
teacher?
That's the question, Your Lordship.
Where's the impugn? Where's the correspondence? Where you get this from? That the salaries be paid to stop a salary and pay the terminated teacher. Where is that?
You'll find Your Lordship will find it at Annexure 12, Your Lordship. Page 23. If I may read, Your Lordship.
Where she is terminated?
Your Lordship will find it at annexure number 4, Your Lordship, page 14.
Number 4?
Yes, Lordship. Page 14. Your Lordship will find the type copy in page 15.
Yes.
Her services was terminated, Your Lordship.
And where's your appointment order?
Page 12, Your Lordship. Annexure 2.
Page 12.
I was appointed on...
Management Committee of Jonki Para, so. Committee Senbha, you are the petitioner Senbha.
Yes, Lordship.
Pass, village, it's over pre-petition. Vice who's Selbina Marak?
She's an... I replaced her, Lordship. She has expired.
She was a teacher in the school?
Yes, Lordship.
So you replaced her?
I replaced her.
There's some other teacher who got terminated. She's
Yes,
taking your pay?
Yes, Lordship.
What absurdity is this?
Your Lordship, the private respondent number 8 was also appointed Vice Mrs. Salbina C.H. Marak.
Against the same post?
Yes, Lordship. However,
so
due to...
two teachers appointed the same post?
Yes, Lordship. However, due to interplay of code of conduct, our appointments were cancelled, Your Lordship.
Anyway, okay, heard Mr. Lasungaya, learned counsel for the petitioner, issue notice. MS Ailingwa accepts notice behalf respondent 127.
125, Your Lordship.
125. No further notice called for. On these respondents, petitioner takes steps for issue the notice on this remaining respondent within 3 days. Stop. Your recording is just after 3 weeks for instructions are pretty good.
Right, Your Lordship.
Very funny case.
Item number 5.
My Lord, we have filed our affidavit, my Lord.
Lordship, we have received, Lordship.
What's the matter about non-payment of salary?
No, my Lord. Transfer, my Lord. My only limited case is, my Lord, the impugn order was not reason order, my Lord. On the very next day, it was simply cancelled, my Lord.
What happened? Why?
My Lord, may kindly see the...
You know got affidavit. Where's affidavit?
Affidavit is there.
Well, yes, ma'am.
Fine.
Yes, filed, ma'am.
Petition?
If my Lord will see their writ petition, my Lord,
yes.
The transfer order is at page number 15.
1 second, let's see what is... Page?
Page number 15, my Lord.
Yes.
This is the transfer order, my Lord. The petitioner is at serial number 5, Moqsedur Rahman, and a person at serial number 6 is Sri Mominur Islam. Now, my Lord, after this transfer order was passed, my Lord, there was an order dated 3rd April 2023, that is at page number 18.
Okay, now this is what an interest product service so-and-so, shown below, hereby transferred, posted, same capacity, place posting as indicated.
Person?
He was, this Moqsedur is a petitioner.
My Lord, yes, my Lord.
Moqsedur is, he's transferred to Dadeng from Tura.
He was placed, he was transferred to the place where a person at serial number... Yes.
Yes, my Lord. Private respondents. Yes.
Now what is it?
Now, my Lord, after that, my Lord, page number 18, the order was passed whereby that transfer order was kept in abeyance.
Why is it kept in abeyance?
Yes, my Lord, it is there in my affidavit.
Now why is it kept in abeyance? Page number 18.
Page number 18.
My Lord, may I?
Just,
1 second, the transfer order issued by the dated so respect to Sri Muhammad Islam, the office of the and companies for the orders due to the ongoing schemes like census, blah blah. Okay.
Thereafter, my Lord, may kindly come to page number 24. The first two order, my Lord has seen just now, was passed by the earlier director, my Lord. And page number 24, my Lord, here, the transfer in respect of so-and-so of the office of the district agriculture officer, Suraj so-and-so, and Sri so-and-so, issued void order dated so and so, it is to state that the stay order, abeyance order mentioned above is hereby withdrawn with immediate effect.
Then they were to proceed
Yes.
as per earlier order.
Yes.
Then what
Thereafter,
happened?
my lord may kindly come to page number 27.
Yes.
Order dated 23rd November 2023. The withdrawal of stay abeyance order issued by dated so and so in respect of Moqsedur Rahman, Agriculture Inspector in Office of the District Agriculture Officer Tura and Sri so and so in the Office of the Sub Officer stands cancelled. Now, my lord may kindly come to my affidavit, my lord.
Yes, so one transfer order is issued, kept in abeyance removed, abeyance kept again.
Right, my lord.
Cancel.
Cancel, my lord.
Page number 2, my lord, of my affidavit. Paragraph 4.
Yes.
Paragraph 4, my lord, it says, I'll just read out, my lord.
Yes.
That in reply to the paragraph 5, the writ petition, the answering respondent would like to state that after the transfer order was issued by the predecessor of the undersigned, it has been discovered that the work relating to the agrarial census DMF seed distribution scheme of the department is yet to be completed, and as such the transfer of the petitioner was not implemented. That the scheme of the department is carried out in phase manner. Phase 1 has been completed and phase 2 work is still undergoing, and thereafter will come the phase 3. The scheme includes extensive work such as preparation of land record, mapping, door-to-door survey of every household census, and to collect data relating to number of cultivators, area of land
Okay, yes. You see
cultivated,
public interest.
etc.
Okay.
So in public interest, my lord.
It's kept in abeyance.
Right.
Then the abeyance was lifted.
Now, my lord.
How do you answer that?
Paragraph number 9, my lord.
Yes.
That the answering respondent denies the averments made in paragraph so and so, and in reply would like to state that the transfer order in relation to the petitioner was stayed in public interest as has been explained above, and hence the order dated so and so cancelling the transfer order is just and proper. More so, but it is pertinent to mention herein that petitioner was earlier posted at Joai and had filed application to transfer from Joai to West Garo Hills on the ground of his health condition.
What condition? What reason?
That is, no, my lord, this is one of the ground, my lord. Now here, my lord, further, the person at serial number 6 in the transfer order dated so and so.
The private
That is
respondent.
Mominur, my lord.
Private respondent, my lord.
Order dated.
So he asked for stay transfer and you stated?
No, my lord. This was stayed because of his, he prayed, my lord, in the applications that he's in the edge of retirement, living only 2 years of his service.
That's edge of retirement?
Yes. And no, my lord,
like 1 month.
Less than 2 years, my lord, and
so
plus.
this person is using political influence, this Muhammad Islam.
No, my lord, it is.
You've written it here?
No, that
the
is.
House of Brief Discussion has directed from now on not allow anyone from our cadre to go through political influence.
This has been sent by the. This has been sent
by the association.
Association, my lord.
Yes.
To the department, my lord.
Yes.
Because this cannot be ruled out, my lord. This is what is happening.
Ruled out when it's a routine transfer. He didn't say anything. Now you kept an abeyance. Abeyance lifted again after cancelled. Then.
My lord, that earlier 2 order was passed during the time when another director was there.
So it's not the director's office.
Right, my lord.
Then?
And when the new director, my lord, took over the charge, my lord, the petitioner, my lord, appeared before the director and he misrepresented that the work has been completed. And in good faith, my lord, that transfer order was withdrawn.
Then take DP against him.
Yes, transfer order was withdrawn.
Drop department proceedings for misleading. Then where's the what?
It has been mentioned, my lord, in my petition.
At
paragraph 6, my lord.
At paragraph 6, my lord.
Absurd reasons. Have you served private respondent?
Yes, my lord.
Yes, Mr. Sheikh. You're playing cat and mouse.
No, lordship.
Then?
No, I need some time to file my counter, my lord. I have left only not even 20 months, lordship. I am the boss of my retirement, lordship.
My lord, private respondent in the same office more than 8 years, my lord, without any transfer.
So since you've
he's in the Dadangiri more than 8 years.
In that office, so you can't transfer anymore.
Prior to this, another transfer was there. The same, by using political influence, he was there.
Effected at the instance of the petitioner, lordship.
Earlier on, also.
The first transfer, yes, lordship.
You got that stayed.
That was a routine transfer, my
This
lord.
is a genuine grounds, lordship.
No.
In fact, apart from that illness of my parents, because that lots of processes are yet to be completed, lordship.
So you're very influential agricultural officer.
Yes, lordship.
Yes.
Pardon, lordship. I didn't get it, lordship.
Yes. I said you're very influential. He said yes.
No,
That's
no,
correct.
no.
Yes.
Not influential.
We'll give you 1 week. You file. We dispose it of.
My
after it's been filed by the state respondents. You want for the agenda?
No, my lord, I'll not.
Yes, to which Ms. S.K. Hassan said no agenda required stuff. Ms. S.A. Sheikh, appearing prior respondent, prays for the law. 2 weeks' time to file affidavit. It's expected that on the next date the same will be on board. We'll just put it off.
My lord. Hello.
Yes.
Daily list, item number 1.
Become a sad story, this one, see it.
I'm sorry, Walid.
Become a sad story, yes. Now
they file an application for
My lord,
posting somebody
otherwise the
else.
three matters are
no, that we already passed orders.
no, my lord.
No, my lords,
Allowing
your lordships have fixed it today, my lords. We are taking time for seeking instructions.
Okay.
This case 58.
What is the order? Last order?
It was to be fixed today, my lords, on 29/4/2024, together with contempt case number 54 of 2022. Matter was simply adjourned, my lords.
This case 58.
This case 58. This case 58. This case 58.
In WPC 329.
This case 58. Orders there in the this case.
No order.
Orders passed in the main case, my lords.
In 329.
No, there's orders there in this case. This application has been filed with respondent. Bring for orders to grant leave to applicants to postpone Dr. A.K. Bhagat with PG qualification, Assam Rifles to Assam Rifles Composite Sukovi. Mr. S. Chandal, counsel praising without 1 week's time to file reply. You filed reply? No.
My lords, we've sought instructions. We've seen the application. There's the vacant post, my lords. One of the petitioners was to be transferred there. Now, there's an interim order operating, so he's not going there. So they want to send somebody else in its place. So, my lords, in view of public policy, we really can't object to that. Only thing, my lords, I would only pray that whatever transfer is happening, my lords, that's a scheduled transfer, but that should not affect the rights of the petitioner at any stage.
So you are protected,
my lords.
Because this application 58, number 2024, and WBC number 329, pending stuff. Mr. K. Paul Nelson, counsel, through his junior, S. Chanda, on 34/2024, had sought for time to obtain instructions on the prayer of the respondent Assam Rifles seeking leave to post one Dr. A.K. Bhagat, CMO, capital, bracket GDMO, with PG capital qualifications of MD in bracket pediatrics of Assam Rifles multi-facility hospital to Assam Rifles Composite Hospital, Sukhovi, Nagaland. तो अपनो सामना Okay, yeah, so he submits that as the stated transfer is in public interest. The petitioner has no objection to the same. According to submission, to the same as long as the interests of the writ petitioners are protected. Accordingly, and view the submission, the miss case is allowed. Yes, and stands disposed of. Yes, and next, the main matters.
Main matters will come to hearing. The pleadings are completed.
Pleadings are otherwise complete, my lords.
Well, how can we, what hearing? Because he said that you're coming is already been Mr. Where's Mr. Pathak? He said that. Oh no, sorry.
No, this is in another matter, my lord.
Oh, the doctor's matter. Sorry.
The doctor's
Yeah, right. List after this, the other matters connected matters live after 2 weeks. Yes.
Right.
Sorry, I thought about those
contempt
matters.
The mustering and mustering.
Obliged.
Item number 4.
May it please your lordship. Lordship, we are filing it in the course of the day, your lordship.
Subsequent application.
Yes, your lordship.
Yes, it's submitted that the subsequent application has been filed in the course of the day. Just after 1 week, yes. You have any objections, substitution? No?
No, my lord. We have already filed our affidavit.
Item number 5.
Please, Lordship. Lordship, this matter can be posted for hearing, Lordship.
They have raised objections to certain defects.
Yes, my lord. There were some defects. We've addressed and rectified those defects.
Corrected, Lordship.
Mr. Gidahar submits that the defects which have been pointed out since been corrected. How can this is a matter for hearing after 3 weeks?
Deeply obliged.
Item number 6.
Number 3, you're appearing?
No, only 1 and 2, Your Lordship.
What about number 3?
MPSC, my lord, we have served them the copy, my lord.
With MPSC?
MPSC in other cases, my lord, Mr. Always appearing. Paul, no?
MS Adata will record you will record your appearance for number 3. You serve copies to her. MPSC. It's a matter. The other matters they've appeared.
They have appeared in WPC, my lord. Similar case, same case, my lord.
Yes, MS Adata today's entered appearance for number 3. Petitioner to supply extra copies of the petition to the said respondent. What do you want, Mr. Abraham?
I've already filed affidavit, Your Lordship.
What about the how many respondents are there?
3 respondents.
Yes, Mr. H. Abraham submits that on behalf of 1 and 2. Affidavit has already been filed.
Yes, sir.
This is a matter of 2 weeks for instruction affidavit by respondent number 3. Yes.
Oblige me.
7.
6 and 7 connected.
Connected. Oblige.
Item number 8.
Your Lordship, I'll be filing my rejoinder in the course of the day, Your Lordship.
How many times you have prayed for time?
Under instructions of Mr. Judicial, Your Lordship.
So if he says submit before the court, anything you submit straight away without thinking. You didn't check the other sheet. Okay. Only one thing. Further 2 weeks time granted to the. So 2 course of the day. Mr. Pasanthi submits the rejoinder and final course of the day. Upon list this matter for hearing after 2 weeks.
How do you oblige, Your Lordship?
Item number 9.
I've received the copy of the affidavit filed by the respondent number 1. I'll file my rejoinder, Your Lordship.
Only one respondent? Only Garo Hills?
No, my lord.
Respondent number 2 and 3 are yet to appear, Your Lordship.
No, why matter? Private respondents are there.
2 and 3. They have not appeared.
No, Your Lordship.
Yes, you filed it. You already filed your affidavit.
Yes, yes, my lord.
You want to file rejoinder?
Yes, Your Lordship.
And MS Paul something. Please will have to file rejoinder to affidavit files 1/1. It is noted that though notice has been served on 2 and 3, no appearance has been made on their behalf. It's a matter after 2 weeks for rejoinder and for appearance of respondent 2 and 3.
Item number 10.
Much obliged.
Please, Your Lordship. My lord, we have received the parawise comment yesterday. I need 2 weeks time to file my affidavit.
What does it say? Simple matter or you can dispose of on the instructions?
No, my lord.
This is regarding payment of some gratuity and.
We just need to file
GDC.
Yes, my lord.
Yes, Mr. SDS submits that instructions has been received. The previous one allowed 2 weeks time to file affidavit. Yes.
Lordship.
Just thereafter.
Much pleasure, Lordship.
11.
May I please, Your Lordship?
Where's the affidavit?
Your Lordship, I need some more time for
How much
compilation.
time could it take?
Your Lordship, affidavit has been sent, but it is not signed copy. Has
Mr.
not.
Paul, one thing, this land due under process of acquisition, there's an order or something of
There was some acquisition
like for
proceedings,
acquisition proceeding, and from what documents you submitted last time, the rate's been enhanced, and that means it's no man's land now.
No, it is under the, my lords, it's been acquired. As a matter of fact, if I remember...
But the government has not taken, they
my
have not
lords, if
taken any...
They have not taken possession of that land.
And so it's like free for
Because
all.
if I remember correctly, my lords, there was this proceeding in 2016 where there was an award passed, and in the name of the present petitioners, my lords, are shown as people who are in possession of that land.
That's the only thing, because then otherwise it's no man's land, it'll create more problems.
Lordship.
If there's no one control that land, anyone can come.
No, it is essentially government land, my lords.
You'll have some slumlord there now, like,
I'm sorry.
like you have some slumlord there, he'll come there and start, renting out places.
My
and all.
lords, I think that is a wrong allegation, because what happens, these people who are there before your lordships at least, I can speak for only them.
Yes, I'm talking about, what will happen later on, if there's no, some sort of...
Something has to be done.
There has to be some sort of control, it can't just be no man's land.
That is what is happening.
That's what's happening, that's creating the problems. And original resident, there was a sawmill, these people will be disturbed.
Lordship.
Because they have to get,
These are the people who've been there for
no, the people
decades.
Been there, correct. But the thing is that if the other people there, then
well, what is happening is because of these new people,
yes,
now they have got into trouble.
Be driven out.
Your Lordship, some time may be allowed, Your Lordship, because a signed copy I have already forwarded, but signed copy has not come back from the DC.
I don't know how you work your stuff. At least after 2 weeks before the orders.
Yes,
Interim orders will continue.
Obliged.
Item 12.
Please, Your Lordship. Paying for respondent number 5, Your Lordship. I'm praying for some time to file my affidavit, Your Lordship.
Who is the main respondent, my lord, to file the affidavit? This is a matter where my
Why
lord...
not filing?
2 weeks time.
1 week's time.
2 weeks time.
They was granted...
Any urgency?
Urgency, my lord, a person has been appointed without qualification.
Against which post?
Against the post of...
Professor?
Professor, yes, my lord, in Nehru.
Which department?
Library science, my lord, if I'm not mistaken.
Library
science, my lord.
How much time? 2 weeks?
2 weeks, Lordship.
You're the person who got appointed?
No, Your Lordship, I'm a member of the selection committee.
And who, you have impeded the person got selected?
We have made it by a party, my lord. He has not appeared till.
He is represented by whom?
Mr. K. Paul, senior advocate.
By senior advocate?
K. Paul, yeah.
The person was selected?
Respondent number 6, B. Karwanlang appeared.
Yeah, please, Your Lordship.
6 is... Now, where's number 6? No one's here.
May I please, Your Lordship?
Yes.
Your Lordship, I'm appearing on behalf of Ms. P. Agarwal for respondent number 7.
You already filed affidavit.
Lordship,
They have already filed
affidavit. Yes.
Very good.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Yes. Where's number 6?
Over here.
They were here just now. Because 1 to 6, none of you have filed.
None have filed.
Nehu's affidavit is very pertinent, my lord.
Of course it is. Nehu, something wrong with all selections now. It's not the first case.
They are always
Before usually with selection, hardly, only promotions and this and that, entitlements, yes. But now I've seen these 3-4 matters that have come straight from selection. So if selection is put in question in such these posts which are very high posts of professor and additional professor, that means there's some things not right. It's not the first case. Right, Mr. Prasad, on behalf of respondent number 5 and MS Salam on behalf 1 to 5. 1 to 4. You 5, oh yeah, okay, sorry. MS Salam on behalf 1 to 4, Mr. Prasad, behalf number 5. Pray that be allowed further 2 weeks time to file affidavit stop. It's noted that none is present on behalf of respondent number 6. Where's Mr. Paul? Is number 6? You won't file affidavit. This is that Nehu matter.
No, no, no. It's Nehu. Yeah.
I think my name is wrongly reflected, but it's not appearing for me.
Are you appearing one of 6 or no?
I don't think so,
Did you too many briefs? No, in different jurisdictions. Actually, difficult. Body sheet. He's been served?
Yes, yes, my lord. He's been served, my lord.
Yes, Vakatnama has been filed on behalf number 6. Let's see who appears.
It might be an individual.
Vakatnama might be Vakalit. File on behalf number 6. Number 5, amendment 12. Number 6. Yes.
This could be a
S. Thapa, B. Kharwanlang, B. Snaitang, S. Krem. I think this is your team.
My lord, sir. But I am myself not aware. We'll do the report.
Yes, but it's for allowed 2 weeks time. Prayers allowed on and Mr. K. Paulson on behalf of number 6. 2 weeks time.
Nice.
Yes.
Item 13.
Yes, you have to take status on 3 and 4.
I will file in the under in the truck consignment. It's reflected delivered, but I have verified from
Mr. PT Sama submits that operates able to file after indicating service on respondent number 3 and 4. What are 1 and 2?
1 and 2.
Yes, MS Sham. You're not filing affidavit.
Lordship, we've been waiting for the municipal board's affidavit. I mean, we have been releasing salaries regularly.
Municipal board?
Municipal board.
Municipal board is main respondent.
Okay. This after 2 weeks, yes, for the affidavit and for further orders.
Lordship.
Yes.
Obligement.
14.
This is. Oh no, no, government. Yes.
Not filed as yet.
No, Lordship. This is a new matter, Lordship.
Doesn't matter. You got instructions received? Yes.
Lordship, we'll have to check with the office, Lordship, whether instructions have been received or not.
Yeah, the case is very clear. I have been recommended from the DAC. But however, they have not regularized. I've cleared the DAC. Since
When were you selected?
Yes, on my
1986.
Yes. You have recommended.
2 weeks time granted to respond to the file affidavit.
Lordship.
So just thereafter and so on.
Much obliged, Lordship.
Further 2 weeks time as per it.
15.
Much obliged, Lordship.
Please, Your Lordship, for respond number 3 and 16, my Lord, we have already taken steps.
For 3 and?
For 3 and 16, my Lord. For 3 to 16, my Lord. And we have also received the status report, but we are yet to file our affidavit, my Lord. So we'll bring it on record, my Lord, by way of affidavit.
Yes, Mr. Ejiment Praise is allowed to file a service indicating, affidavit indicating service on the respondent number 3 to 16. All of them will serve.
Always serve.
This up to 2 weeks. Yes. Affidavit?
Stay also.
But I'll pray for 3 weeks, my lord, since we have not. This is a new matter.
There's a stay also.
The interim order when it shall continue till next day.
Hello, brother.
Hearing. Supplementary list, item number 6.
Anything would come out?
My lord, last date was on 5th. On 6th.
Too short.
Yes. No. Now what happened is, my lord, on 7th, I've received one demand notice from the bank. My husband has taken a personal loan. Now the interest has accrued and it's come 9 lakhs. And they're demanding from me 9 lakhs. And even the money that I'm supposed to get from the office is also not 9 lakhs. So now I have to take an instruction from my client that 1 lakh I will, if she is agreeable, somehow I'll manage. Then what about, because she is asking her right, what about liabilities? If she's
Yes, then you split the liability also.
Liability, this is what
It'll
I...
be 4.5 lakhs.
4.5 lakhs,
That
yes.
will come up after 1 week, Lordship, because the counsel for the petitioner is not keeping well, Lordship. He just informed me.
Oh, Mr. Deb, what happened to him?
I
He
don't
is
know,
in hospital.
Lordship, he's not keeping well. He's just informed me just to appear on his back.
Now every day the interest is increasing. He has taken 6 lakhs.
But then against his debt securities, he took a loan from the office or from the bank?
From the bank. From the bank. So now I'm going to inherit some property, so I'll be liable to the bank.
Property?
To the extent that I get from the inherited property. Yes, yes. No, not the property. I mean to say this is a movable property.
Mr. P. Obin submits that the respondent, after the matter was last listed on 6/5/2024, has been in receipt of a demand notice from the bank, wherein she has been called upon to liquidate the debts taken by her late husband, amounting to rupees 9 lakhs. Stop. What do you do? Take notice? You take instructions. He submits that the liability, as indicated in said demand notice, is more than the debts and securities which the respondent would be
entitled
would be
from
entitled. Stop. As Mr. B-Tep is not present, due to illness, this matter of 1 week.
1 week.
Very interesting. Then if you won, also you have to take liabilities also.
Yes. They want the right, then liabilities also should follow. Obliged.
Daily list, item 22.
Ready?
I'm praying for some accommodation, Lordship, in this matter.
Who's the leading counsel here?
Panel Longview.
What happened to him?
Lordship, due to some personal difficulty, Lordship, he could not appear.
We have objection.
No objection, Lordship.
No objection. You have objection?
No objection.
Yes, prayer being some non-pure was available. That about some accommodation. Yes, after 2 weeks. Yes.
23.
Yes, Mr. P.D. Sama.
Yeah, my lord. The brief clarification, Lordship. What happened in this case, Your Lordship? The petitioner hearing, he was appointed prior to the petitioner, the predecessor of the petitioner was a Nokma of Sawalgri, Lordship.
What's the name of the king?
Sawalgri Akang, Lordship. So that
Ulat
name of
Marak, now he's not holding the office.
He's not holding the office now.
Never held also.
No, he was there in the office since from the 2000 on 14th February 2005 till the.
He was Nokma.
I was Nokma. Okay. But my petitioner, husband, we had the petitioner here is the husband and wife.
Yes. Yes.
Now after.
Before my friends start, my lord, I just want to pause him, my lord, for a minute. First, let him satisfy this honourable code how this petition is maintainable. This bar, my lord, there is a bar of section 88(2) clause 2, my lord.
No.
The EM order has to be first challenged within 60 days before the CEM, my lord. No. That explanation is not there.
I will come to that because why it is there because my learned friend.
Oh, just give the brief facts, background facts.
Now,
just give background facts very simply and
very
concisely.
Simply.
Now the petitioners, they before this code, what prayer? For setting aside the documentship of Mr. Momin's client.
Yes, both the setting aside of the order of the EM and the CEM.
Okay.
Now what happened because my learned friend have stated it is half truth only. Because I will come to that.
We don't know whether half truth or full truth. Just state your case.
Yes. What happened? After when I become the Nokma, I was appointed. Thereafter, the private respondent, predecessor of the private respondent, they filed a
predecessor of the respondent.
The private respondent.
Okay.
They filed an objection against.
While you were Nokma.
I was Nokma. That
in 2005.
Yes, 2005.
They filed objection against your
against the order
against
of
the Nokmaship.
Yes, my Nokmaship.
Then
the EM passed an order cancelling my Nokma.
Also, he allowed he allowed the predecessor in this petition.
Yes. Then against that order, I filed an appeal before the CEM. CEM appealed the order of the EM, saying that it is still cancelled.
So you were out.
I was out. Then against that order, I was before this honorable court, Your Lordship. I come before this, and I filed a petition. While filing the petition, Your Lordship, during the pendency of the case, the predecessor of the private respondent, who I have made a party in my writ petition, as well as there in the lower court below, with the EM and the CEM, those private respondent, they expired during the pendency of the writ petition.
But they were Nokmas at that time. They
were Nokma.
After you removed, they were entered by the GHDC as Nokmas of the Saul Grey, a king.
Yes, those people. Thereafter that, when those 2% was expired, they died. Then there was nobody was Nokma. Then they have not appointed any Nokma. So then we.
When did they die?
They died, Lordship, somewhere in the. I think the private respondent will know the better but he died in somewhere in the year.
No, but they died. The fact remains that they both died.
Yes. Right. Both died.
Okay.
And
no successor.
No successor was
from
there.
their side. No successor was there.
No successor was there.
Okay. Then how long was no successor?
When this writ petition was pending, there was no successor till 17/12/2021. There was
what repression was this? WPC number?
WPC number 518 of 2019.
Okay.
Then the petitioner withdrew the case with the liberty to file a press. At that
you withdrew.
I withdrew because there is nobody to implead because even now private respondent they were not at that time of what time they were not appointed.
Nowhere in the picture.
They were nowhere in the picture.
Okay.
And when the case was withdrawn, this petitioner, since from that side nobody was there to succeed the Nokma, the EM or CM was not appointed.
So
they
that
have not
time
approached.
after they died, you didn't go and file application. You didn't file application again.
We filed an application
for entering any Nokma.
Yes, we filed an application saying that we should be allowed to continue as Nokma. It is there.
Then what happened?
But then surprisingly, this EM, they have passed an order. This order dated 01/07/2022, saying it is there in the 01/07/2022.
Okay, what does the EM say?
The EM says that since no case is pending, then it seems that there was an application filed by the Now present respondent, not that expelled one, the present respondent, saying that they want, since there was no case pending, either in the High Court, they have even in the, mentioned even in the order also, reflected in the order, no appeal case pending, either in the EM, CM, in the High Court. The High Court, they have withdrawn the case with the liberty to file. Therefore, they are saying that on the basis of the order of the CEM earlier, they have allowed him to appoint as a Nokma.
What's the relation between the new Nokmas and the ones who died?
The relation is he's claiming that he's the son-in-law and the daughter of that
daughter of the old one.
Daughter of the last recorded Nokma.
And even your application was supported by the Charas and Chachis and Maris and all. Your fresh application was supported by them when you applied for Nokma.
Cancellation of the Nokma?
Not cancellation. This time, when they said that there was no more, the whole, the post was empty, and there was no case pending, you have put an application that time.
And that application, while filing, while passing this order, allowing the registering the Nokma, they have never given an opportunity. No so-called notice was issued to us, despite of the fact that case was pending. The EM also has clearly mentioned.
You stay in the same Aking only.
We are staying in the same.
How come we don't know?
We are in the.
There was no meeting in the Aking that who will be the new Nokma.
Because they have make a meeting that way without our knowledge, Lordship. Even that we challenge, even those Nokma who have signed, they are not from that village. They are coming from some other villages. They have just gathered the name of those outside villages, and they take the signature of all the people who are not even from the resident of that, who are not even have any link with the Nokmas. Just to show to the EM, they collected the names, some names, and put it application before the EM. The EM saying that.
Now, just one question.
Lordship.
At that time, when you were removed, what was the reason for your removal? On the application, the pieces and interests of Mr. Moment's clients, of these respondents, they had filed against you, correct?
Yes.
What is we'll examine that order, but just tell in brief, on what ground were you removed? That you had no right?
In the ground.
Not ground, don't look at that, just say, you must be knowing what does the order say. Why did the EM, heard by CEM, why were you removed? If you already were appointed Nokma
the ground of EM were allowing them to, in the petition, they are saying that I'm not having the real relationship.
Okay.
That is the ground. But there is no evidence to the fact, because the EM has never let us. Lordship is very much aware. Even my learned friend is aware. There's a landmark judgment where everybody, whenever this Aking matter was there, everybody is citing this case, that Doris Sama case. It is very clear. I don't want to say also the repeat also, but just for the sake of argument, because it's clearly mentioned there should be a lot of evidence. How then they will know that I am not a relation to the Nokma? I have been already registered as a Nokma. Then they have cancelled. There is no evidence to prove. There is no deposition to say that I have no relationship with that Nokma. There is no framing of issues. All those things were there.
Then you should have withdrawn the other petition then. If you had questioned those two orders by the last petition, that's 518, you should have withdrawn it. You should have said that these orders are passed, notwithstanding anybody else occupying office.
Yes, we are supposed to implead, but at that point of time, we have no knowledge to whom to implead the petition, because no one is coming up before the court. Because if that is the case, that if someone is there as a successor, if we are aware of that, then obviously we could have to take a corrective measure to file an application to implement in those new petitions. And that at that point of time, nobody, even this present respondent who is claiming to be the daughter and the son-in-law of that disease, they have never.
Now, are you claiming that you are closer, that your relationship is closer than them to?
Yes. That is in my first claim also. In my appeal before the EM also, we have categorically mentioned all those in our pleading also. That our pleading also has been clearly reflected. That is in the page 39. Everything
what
we
do
have
you
mentioned.
Say for the EM?
We say that we are the real blood relationship of the original Nokma.
Okay, let's see 39 then. At least I've understood the background.
Here
39 is in order.
39 is the order, but they have reflected in our submission. It starts from 36. 36. May I read, Your Lordship?
36.
Page 36.
Is the old order. 18.
That is the old order, but this is the old order. But our submission, our pleading is recorded in that.
Now, where's the last order of the EM whereby they were through?
Yes, last order of the EM.
92, Malo. That's what we want. That's what is going to see.
This is the type copy, Malo.
92, okay.
This is the impure order.
Very short order.
This is very short order.
This is just for registration on the
If there was no court of the CEM earlier, we could have challenged this one, because we have to even challenge the order of the CEM. This was come out of on the basis of the order passed by the earlier CEM.
Okay, then Mr. P.T. Sangma, I think it's premature, the petition of yours.
Lordship, why I have
Premature,
come?
why it's premature? Because now is a new cause of action. Correct. New cause of action is that this warning M. Sangma of and this and warning. Now you're warning. You're warning Sangma. Your name?
Balang. It's Balang. Balang and Polsuni.
Then what's recorded here in the order of this EM dated 17
No. This is the like Chara they used to file.
Oh yes, okay.
No, my lord,
They said was a report for the Charas other members and Nokma's clan is asking to said appoint us. Is the name of Sri Paul Soni Sangma and son and daughter of
My lord, may kindly come to the representation or the application that he has filed, my lord, that he is relying. Now, my lord, as per this order, there was only one application. Now, my lord, may kindly see. That is on page
53.
53, my lord.
Yes, Mr. Sangma.
That is
my lord, if my lord,
this is
page
dated
53. Page 53, dated
9/6/22.
9/6/2022. My lord, this application also, whether we have received or not, there is nothing to show on record, my lord, present that we have received. If it was received, my lord, then EM definitely would have passed an order, taking into consideration this, my lord. Otherwise, he is giving reference to only one letter, my lord.
Well, let me see whether he has got any support. Oh, just read it out, Mr. P.T. Sangma. This
letter.
Read out slowly, yes.
With reference to Sri Raba, I have the honor to state that the Sri Wilot Marak and his wife Koini M. Sama were registered by the executive member IC Line and Revenue JCDC Tura in white registration number registration dated 14/3/2005, and their name were duly entered and listed in the Geology 3 list of Nokma Ambi. However, their registration of Nokmaship were challenged by late Singban Shech Marak and his wife late Porjoni M. Sangma, and the Court of Executive IC Line and Revenue in white order dated 31/01/2017 in JT also have cancelled the registration of Nokmasip and directed to register Singban Shech Marak and his wife late Porjoni M. Sangma.
Okay, I've read it. That means that you say that now they have died. Now, since I've withdrawn the case, consider you. But you have not put. Have you put any? What about the substance or the substantiate your claim? Now you don't have any resolution from the clan members. You don't have any application by the Charas or by the Maris of this Aking.
It was
only
his
on
own
a bare application. Even.
And now, my lord,
So anyway, you will remand it back.
CM.
You go to CM. You file. Will allow you.
Let him withdraw, my lord, and go to
file
CM.
under section
8(2), my lord.
Because see, the only ground which the EM also has allowed the application of worship is that there's no case pending, it's been informed and so on and so forth, and then this application is signed by the Charas and also that's it. All right.
Then will be allowed to file a fresh there in the in the
fresh,
court of
brand new one you can file.
No, it will not go to the EM, my lord. He has filed an appeal. Appeal, my lord.
Yes. We're not seeking review. Against the order you file.
Yes.
Right.
It
And
may
the
be
time
reflected.
spent here, because you have come to the court, then they'll consider it.
They will consider it for. Let them file an
When you
application.
file, make sure you file a small application for condition of delay, because of the fact that you approach this court and then a separate appeal memo. Not like you done last time. In the appeal memo, he said it's a conditions and appeal. So
Yes, Lordship.
Yes.
And this time, my lord, he cannot blame the lawyer also, because he himself is the lawyer.
You can't blame the lawyer. Top lawyers appearing. So how? Yes. The instant writ petition has been filed a selling order dated 1/7/2022, whereby the parent respondents number 5, Mr.
5 and 6.
5 and 6. One thing is there is 5 and 6.
4, 5 and 6
have been registered as Nokmas of Saul Grey.
Gunangri, my lord.
Where is that?
Saul Grey, Gunangri, my lord.
Saulgi Gongnagri. Gongnagri.
Sorry, no, King. The grievance of the writ petitioner, as portrayed, is that they had earlier been appointed as Nokmas in the year 2005. But on a challenge to the same by the predecessors in interest of the respondents number 5 and 6, the Nokmaship was set aside by the then EM in charge revenue by order dated
31/01/2017.
By order dated 31/01/2017,
17,
which was thereafter upheld on appeal by the chief executive member by order dated
12/10/2018.
12/10/2018. Stop. It has been submitted that against these orders, a writ petition has been preferred, being WPC number 518/2019. But as in the intervening period, during the pendency of said writ petition, respondent number 5, but I'm sorry. Against these orders also, the petition being also had been. But as the respondent 5 and 6 in the intervening period had expired, the writ petitioners had withdrawn the said writ petition with liberty to file afresh if a new cause of action arose. Stop. Next paragraph. Today, Mr. P.T. Sangma, while pressing the petition, has submitted that the EM in charge revenue on an application of the respondents 5 and 6, and only under consideration that there were no proceedings pending either in the High Court or in any forum, had granted the prayer of respondent 5 and 6 to be entered as Nokmas. So he submits that the same was without the knowledge of the petitioners who he claims should be the rightful Nokmas. He as such has prayed for interference and for appropriate orders to issue. Next paragraph. Stop. Mr. S.D., on behalf of respondents number 1, 2, and 3, has at the outset raised objections inasmuch objections and submits that the writ petition is premature inasmuch as an alternate remedy by way of appeal is available to the writ petitioner to challenge the said impugn order as given in the Social Garo Hills Torrance District Council Social Validating Act of
1958.
1958. Yes, sir. He further submits that an application annexed to writ petition at annexure, that at annexure 7, dated 9/6/2022, is also not to the knowledge of the respondents. He finally submits that if the writ petitioners harbor any grievance against the order, impugn order, they should have first approached the chief executive member by way of an appeal. Stop. Next, Mr. Moment, anything to say?
Lordship, I'm just relying on the submission.
Mr. A.G. Moment, appearing for respondent 5 and 6, 4, 5 and 6, has endorsed submissions made by the Learned Counsel for respondents 1 and 2. 1 and 2, stop. Next paragraph. Have heard Learned Counsel with the parties and examined the materials on record. Stop. As submitted, it is a fact that it is as submitted, it is seen that the writ petitioners had earlier approached this court against the orders mentioned above, and also that the writ petition was subsequently withdrawn due to the demise of the 10 private respondents who were Nokmas of the Aking. Stop. As such, with the appointment of the new Nokmas, the present respondents 5 and 6, a new cause of action has arisen, to which the writ petitioner, if aggrieved by any order, is to assail the same in the manner provided in the Act and in accordance with law. Stop. Act of Act. Carville's.
Page 191, my lord.
Yes. In the said Act, that is the Garo Hill Town District Social Customs and Usages Balancing Acts, remember? Section 8, dealing with vacancies in the office of Nokma and disputes therein, had provided at Section 8, bracket 2, clause 2, that any person aggrieved at the order of the revenue member may prefer an appeal to the chief executive member within 60 days from the date of the order. When were you appointed? That's by 70. When do you enter? 7/22.
22.
Yes. Accordingly,
7/22,
accordingly, on the taking into account, you didn't know about his order till when you got to know about it.
This one,
about 1/7/22. When did you learn about it?
We got it once we went to approach the EM for filing the application.
In 6. No, you
No,
approached.
he has filed it in 2022 only, the writ petition.
No. Not 22 petition. When you get to know that that Mr. Moment's clients were appointed, when? When did you get a copy of this order, the impugn order? When did you get it? You applied for a copy. When?
Yes, we applied a certificate copy.
Must be here only.
In the month of.
Yes, you got it in
23/8. They got a certified copy on 23/8. So probably before that only, they have
23.8?
applied. 23.8.
22. You filed a petition on? Or 22 only?
On September or 22 only.
Okay, that means they are
Yes.
well within time.
Yes.
Yes, Athom, no? Has provided at so the writ petitioner, it appears, on coming to learn about the impugned order dated 1/7/22, had immediately approached this court by way of the instant writ petition. So, which, however, in view of the alternate remedy of appeal, and view of appellate remedy being available, and view of appellate forum being available, is not being entertained, will not be entertained at this stage. Stop. However, taking into account, or therefore, the writ petitioners are at liberty to approach the chief executive member with an appropriate appeal application against the order dated 1/7/2022. Since you're not party of 1/7/2022, within? Oh, no, I won't say that. 1/7/22. Stop. As a question of delay may arise, it is noted that the writ petitioners it is as observed. What I want to say is that sorry. It is further provided that the same is to be condoned and the appeal taken up for consideration in view of the fact that within the period of 60 days itself, the writ petitioner had approached this court, and as such, that time spent on pursuing the remedy for this court is not to be taken into account. Accordingly, the writ petition stands, goes and disposed of as stated.
Supplementary 1, item number 1.
I'm not. Where's the ding? Oh, Mr. You must do. Where's Mr. Sangma? Yes, okay. Yes.
Lordship, this is an application for stay.
Your next order yesterday of the court?
Yes, Your Lordship. That's in page 15, Your Lordship, in Extent 3. Your Lordship, this is an application praying for an interim order for staying of the order passed by the Assistant District Judge, Your Lordship. Lordship, take Your Lordship to page 13, Your Lordship.
13.
In para 12, Your Lordship, in consideration of the observation made above, this court is inclined to direct the judgment debtor to remove all the goods and article from the suit premises in presence of the bailiff of this court and OC Sardar PS on or before the 10/5/2024. Your Lordship, this matter is fixed on 14th, that is Tuesday, so for the report. Lordship, just praying for an interim order from this court because this appeal is listed to the 21st of May.
Thomo, this is this application filed in disposed of transfer TRP(C) number 5/2024 has been preferred, citing grave urgency, inasmuch as orders operating whereby the petitioner, operating against a petitioner. for which were passed by the Court of Assistant District Judge dated 18/4/2024 in session case on annexure 1 in Miss case number so and so and so and so and so. It has been submitted by Mr. Dingdo that against the said order an appeal has been preferred before the court of the district judge Shillong. But as the same could not be taken up both by the district judge or the additional district judge, the matter was referred to this court, which by order dated 9/5/2024 had directed for transfer of the first appeal to the court of the district sessions judge at Nongpo. Stop. Where's the, we didn't serve copied outside?
Your Lordship, they didn't want to receive copies, Your Lordship.
Stop. It is submitted that as the appeal is yet to be taken up and the orders in operation are to the effect that and orders are operating where is that you reading?
Directing the bailiff, page 13.
Directing the
paragraph 12.
The judgment debtor, that is the applicant herein, to remove all goods and articles from the suit premises on before 10/5/2024. Some limited protection is necessary till instant appeal is taken up for consideration. Stop. Next part is further submitted by Mr. Indore that no copy of the application was sought to be served upon the counsel appearing for the other party respondent. He said counsel was not inclined to accept the copy, and due to urgency, this matter is being moved today. So, heard that counsel for the applicant. As per the submissions and the materials noted that it is correct that an order dated 9/5/2024 had been passed by this court transferring FEO case number 1/H/2024 filed against the order dated 18/4/2024 of the Assistant District Judge in so and so case has been transferred to the Court District Session Judge in Nongpo and is yet to be taken up. Stop. Also peruse the order dated 18/4/2024, wherein at paragraph 12 to 16, it has been recorded as follows, Sir Court. As such, in view of the urgency and the fact that no relief can be forthcoming to the petitioner in a short period, it is directed that till FEO number so and so is taken up consideration by the court of Nongpo, the order dated 18/4/2024 passed by the then Assistant District Judge Shillong in so and so case shall be kept in abeyance. Matter stands disposed of.